Newton's first law of motion states that an object at rest will remain at rest unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. In this case, I have a fairly heavy metalworking die sitting on the table here at rest. And according to Newton's law, that die will sit there from now on until some other force comes in and changes its state or causes something else to happen. So it's at rest and it's going to remain at rest. Another portion of Newton's law states that an object in motion continues in motion with the same speed and in the same direction unless acted upon by an unbalanced force. So if I took that heavy metalworking die and I were to take my finger and put it in motion, as long as my force on the die is constant, it will move with a constant speed and in a constant direction. But in this case, let's see if we can create an unbalanced force. So what I'm going to do is actually push this with my finger up onto this sandpaper, and I think I'm going to do it with two fingers here in this case, kind of keep it going in a little better direction. And what should happen is we should notice that when it gets on the sandpaper with the same force from my hand, it's going to slow down because there's a greater amount of friction, an unbalanced force acting on it. So it slows down with the same force from me. That unbalanced force then causes a change in the state of the die as it goes across there. So I could use something of this nature to illustrate Newton's first law to my students and show them what's going on with it.